Oh my God, I just had the most horrible dream. I dreamt that the New York Jets were 3-11 and that Rex Ryan was about to be fired, along with possibly John Idzik, the general manager. I hate to tell you, but that wasn't actually a dream. That's probably going to be reality. But the Jets did beat the Tennessee Titans today. Oh, okay. Let's talk about that then. Okay, so the New York Jets beat the Tennessee Titans 16-11. As far as scores for the Jets, Nick Folk had a 51-yard field goal, and then John Connor, the Terminator, caught a 9-yard pass from Geno Smith for a touchdown, and Chris Ivory had a 1-yard run for a touchdown, and then the Jets went for a 2-point conversion, and of course they missed it again. Geno Smith on the day, 16 of 28 for 179 yards with 1 touchdown and no turnovers. Okay, Eric Decker of the Jets, 7 catches for 100 yards. So as far as the Titans, they had 3 field goals by Ryan Suckup, and they got a safety on Geno Smith, so that was their 11 points. Jake Locker, the Titans quarterback, left after the first half after an injury. So New York Jets win 16-11. Thanks for watching.